So today guys, we'll be making chicken kabsa. So the ingredients that we'll be needing are basmati rice, diced tomatoes in tomato juice, kabsa rice spices, chicken leg quarters, white onions, chilies, tomatoes, coriander, and also we'll be needing some water. So now let's soak the 3 cups of basmati rice with 6 cups of water for about 30 minutes. So now let's light it and heat up the pan. Once the pan is already hot, pour in some cooking oil. Once the oil is already hot, saute the white onions. Saute until it is already golden brown in color. Once the white onion is already golden brown in color, fry in the chicken leg quarters. Fry it for about 3 minutes. After frying for 3 minutes, let's just flip it and fry the other side for another 3 minutes. After frying the chicken leg quarters, let's just put about 2 tablespoons of KABSA rice spices, then diced tomatoes in tomato juice, and lastly, the chili. So now let's pour about 6 cups of water. Then cover and bring to a boil for about 20 minutes. After boiling for 20 minutes, let's just take the chicken leg quarters out. Then add in the soaked basmati rice. And cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the rice has already absorbed the water. So while waiting for the rice to absorb all the water, let's air fry our chicken leg quarters. So now let's flip and air fry the other side of the chicken leg quarters. Since the rice has almost absorbed all the water, let's now put some sliced tomatoes. Then cover and let it cook for about 3 minutes. So after frying the chicken leg quarters, let's just turn the air fryer off. So now our KABSA rice is already done. Let's just turn the heat off and transfer it onto a plate. So there you have it, guys, our chicken KABSA. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video. They're so delicious, guys.